To fix FaceTime activation error, start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for FaceTime to work properly. Ensure that your device is connected to a working Wi-Fi or cellular network. Next, verify that FaceTime is enabled on your device by going to the Settings app. Then scrolling down and tapping on FaceTime. Make sure the switch next to FaceTime is turned on. If you are still experiencing issues, check that your Apple ID is correct and that you are signed in with the same Apple ID on all your devices. You can do this by going to the Settings app, then tapping on your name at the top, and verifying your Apple ID. Another common cause of FaceTime activation error is an outdated iOS version. Ensure that your device is running the latest version of iOS by going to the Settings app, then tapping on General, and selecting Software Update. Additionally, check that your date and time settings are correct, as incorrect settings can cause issues with FaceTime activation. You can do this by going to the Settings app, then tapping on General, and selecting Date and Time. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try restarting your device, as this can often resolve connectivity issues. Finally, if you are still experiencing problems, consider resetting your network settings by going to the Settings app, then tapping on General, and selecting Reset. This will reset all your network settings to their default values. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the FaceTime activation error on your device and start making and receiving FaceTime calls again. Remember to always keep your device and iOS version up to date to prevent similar issues in the future.